Here we have a lovely bit of beautiful relaxation. It is Maytime 2024, and nothing like a lovely bit of water and the sound of waterfalls here. Lovely clear water as well. Nice little reflection there. Very therapeutic, this. Lots of nature around as well. There we go. More water flowing freely. There you go. You should be able to see how clear that is. There's some lilies there. They should be flowering soon. I saw lilies flowering yesterday somewhere else, but it's a lovely plant there. And some lovely bloom as well.